If you want to remove objects from a photo on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then in that case, first of all, we're going to open the Photos app. Now over here, you want to open the photo in which you want to, or from which you want to remove something. We're going to tap on Edit at the bottom of the screen. Now we should be able to, for example, tap, circle, or brush anything that you want to get rid of. So let's say I'm going to select this thing over here, and then we can choose Erase. There we go. Wait a couple of seconds, and then it should be gone. Let's see if it's gonna work. There we go. Of course, you might still want to adjust the area a little bit afterwards, so you can once again select the area that is a little bit messy, for example, in order to try to fix it and make it look better. And then you can, after selecting, you can choose to erase, or you can choose to select in order to, for example, stop doing that. And once you are done, we can tap on this check over here in the bottom right corner. If for some reason you cannot really tap on the subject, what you can also do is you can go to Actions, and then over here we have the magic eraser, which is pretty much the same thing. So we can select, let's say, this area. Once again, this time I'm gonna brush. There we go. We can choose to erase, and we should be able to see some results afterwards. But that is about it. So once we are done, we can tap on this check once again in the bottom right corner. And then you also want to save the photo, of course. We can tap on Save as Copy over here in the upper right corner. If you tap on these three dots, then, well, there's nothing actually in here. So let's just Save as Copy. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.